Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of Visp Infrastructure Resource Management, or IRM, and learning how to create point-to-point connections between your towers. This is a crucial step in optimizing your network and ensuring seamless communication. So let's get started. First things first, we need to set up our point-to-point device profile. Click on the 9-dot menu in the top corner, navigate to the Equipment tab, and select Inventory Profile. This is where you'll create a new point-to-point device profile if you don't have one already. Make sure to assign point-to-point or PTP as the type for this device in the Equipment Profile section. You can review the video on creating equipment profiles for more information on the workflow. Now let's add our point-to-point equipment to the system. Head back to the main Infrastructure Resource Management section, go to the Inventory section and click on the Equipment tab, and then click on the plus sign to add equipment. In the new window, choose your point-to-point device profile from the drop-down. Specify the tower location where this equipment will be installed, add a brief description, and then save your work. Do the same for the second tower you want to set up, the receiving end of the PTP connection. Alright, now let's establish that interconnection. Go back to the infrastructure locations and locate the point-to-point devices we just added. Click on Interconnections and then click on the pencil icon on one of the PTP devices. Under Remote Side and Link, select the second tower you want to connect to, in our case, Tower B. Hit Save when you're done. You only need to set up the interconnection on one of the towers. Finally, let's see our connection on the map. Go back to the Map section. Expand the interconnections list under Layer Control, and then click on the eye icon next to your new point-to-point connection to make it visible. And there it is, a beautiful line connecting our two towers. And that's it for today's tutorial. Creating point-to-point connections in Visp is a breeze once you know the steps. Remember, you only need to configure one side of the connection and the other side will automatically update. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Visp tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.